Hi, so this is a review of my AKU military boots. Now, AKU is a brand that belongs to Italy, and they manufacture primarily outdoor boots and also boots for people from the services and for hunting and other purposes also. So they're mainly purposed for outdoor adventures, and they also make a lot of mountaineering boots also, from what I've been able to gather from their lineup. So they have a good heritage behind them, and these boots are also very well made. This is the front view. This is the side view. This is the rear. Again side and front. So as I've already brought out that AQ has in the past been making boots for the outdoors and for military and also for mountaineering and hiking purposes. So basic technology of the boots is derived from mountaineering and hiking, and also there is a correlation in the requirement of boots that mountaineers have and also the military has. So this boot benefits from that design perspective. Now I really like these boots. These are slightly on the expensive side, but I feel that they completely justify their price point, if nothing else for the uniqueness. The boot has a Vibram outsole. This Vibram outsole is quite typical. You would have seen this kind of outsole, rubber outsole, in various other boots also. They have a decent softish feel to them and have very good grip. The lug pattern is also pretty good, and so that is nice. It has a distinct heel and Vibram branding in yellow. So nothing wrong with the outsole there. They're actually quite good and grippy. The sole has a second layer to them, which is this foam on the inside, or the mid layer of foam. This mid layer of foam is slightly distinct. I don't know if it can be seen in the camera or not. So the outsole rubber portion is maybe 2 mm, 2 to 3 mm, and then thereafter is this softer rubber which gives cushion to the boot also. It isn't very squishy or soft, but it is slightly softer, and that is quite good. So it gives decent longevity to the boot also, has a very decent military appearance also, and is comfortable also. Also on the inside, the boot does have a soft EVA padding or insole, and so which makes this boot quite comfortable. The sole doesn't have too much of flexion, but that is okay. I have not found these boots to be uncomfortable while walking. Now coming on to the upper is all rubber. So this is all rubber. All this portion is all rubber on all sides of the boot, and that makes it abrasion resistant. It doesn't really conform to uniform requirements where the army requires you to wear leather, but they do work pretty well in the outdoors. So this is all rubber, and you don't have to worry about scuffing it, and it's quite tough also. Then coming on to the upper further, this is all synthetic, and this is all decent density synthetic nylon. Both sides it's got nylon here, and this is decently stiff, so very good quality materials used. It does feel to touch and while wearing also. And this portion where the laces are attached is all leather. The laces are all synthetic. The lower portions of the laces are all leather here, leather eyelets, and the upper portion is all metallic loops. The boot does have some branding. It says AIR 8000. I don't know what exactly this stands for. Then it does say Gore-Tex here and AKU branding here. Gore-Tex, as many of you would be aware, is the lining which is on the inside of the boot, here seen in grey, which makes the boot waterproof. Also the tongue of the boot is gusseted or stitched quite high on the boot, approximately at the 8-inch height, to keep debris from going inside the boot, and also for water to be prevented from going inside the boot. The boot is quite decently waterproof and very well made, very sturdy boot, while being light and comfortable also. Don't expect a squishy Under Armour kind of comfort from these, but they are quite comfortable, very well made. The height of the boot is slightly more than 8 inches, which is quite okay. I have had this boot for maybe 6 years now, maybe more than that also, and I do rotate and use them. I do like wearing them. I wear them with my civil dress also. They look quite good in CVs as well as in uniform also. So I really like these boots. They come in the brown color also, which I've been trying to come by but haven't been able to get my hands on. They are slightly expensive, but for the uniqueness of the design and features, I think they do justify the price, at least the price that I bought them on. Now they become slightly prohibitively expensive. So do I like these boots? Yes, I do like them. They're quite nice. They can be put through a lot of rough use, abuse. They are waterproof, and there is no separation. Even after using them for so long, there is no separation of the heels. There is no falling apart. I really like that. On the inside is some branding information with this tag. So there is some branding information. I'll give out the sizes. So this is a UK 11, Europe 46, and a USA medium 11.5. For sizing reference, I generally wear 10.5. The last on these boots is slightly narrow, so I went with the 46, and they do fit me beautifully. Nothing wrong there. The heel counter is also stiff, and this material is all rubber, but nothing wrong here. Quite good. So that's it about these boots. Thank you.